Good afternoon guys. Among gi-solver alag nga gihipon ni guys. Mr. Kim. So guys, ay manok tri guys. Taro. Sada kay manok ka guys. Anyway, this is the dragon fruit to be. Wala pay. There is no post on our project dragon fruit there. There's no post yet. Maybe tomorrow they will put the post for the dragon fruit. But anyways, for now, the workers of Kim finish already making the post here on the side. We're going down there. Tekang balatong ito guys. Tekang balatong ito guys. Favoris good. Balatong ha? Okay, una ito. Here. Ito ang kahimtang pati. Kempot solid still here. I think this is 2 inches 2 inches tube still. Then they make two bigger posts here, one and this is the 2 and another still 2 posts here. So clearly they were here this morning because this is new and that one is new, still wet. So clearly this morning workers of Kim came down here to make this post. This is okay now because this is very big post now. I just finished one. I think they will come back tomorrow to put again this hog wire, install this hog wire in the fence. So that's it for today, sir. 1, 2 concrete post and 3 steel post. 1, 2 and 3 and 2 post. 1 and 2. So this is, think this is 6 by 6. Yeah, this is 6 by 6 posts here, and using 8 mm bar on it, 8 mm bar on it. So thank you for now. So our dragon fruit, sir, they did not put yet, they did not install yet post, concrete post. Maybe tomorrow they will put it. Thank you. Bye-bye.